Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cilia from Yin Yang Yen, and today we will do a different kind of video that I normally would do. Face yoga is something I use before I do meditation, for example, or before my yoga practice, to have a little bit more awareness in the body. But we forget the face sometimes, and there's a lot of facial muscles. So it's nice to use those acupuncture pressure points to relax the face. So you can do this when you have a headache, when you experience stress. It can also help you to sleep better, or even to help you focus or to boost your energy levels. For now, just close your eyes, sit on a chair or on the bolster, and become aware of the body and your breath. Take a deep breath in, the shoulders up, and exhale, shoulders down and back. Deep inhale through the nose, and exhale through the mouth, shoulders down. One more time, deep inhale, shoulders up, and exhale down. Slowly open up the eyes, and starting massaging the head. So starting the top of the head, using all of your fingers. You don't have to press very hard. Just close your eyes and feel what is nice for you. And then massage the side of the head, and the back side. And then slowly let go of the hands. And then using your 4 fingers to massage the front side of your forehead, in the middle, the center, all the way down to your temples. Take your time. Use your index finger to press on the inside of your eyes. So hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Press again. 1, 2, 3. Let go. One more time. Brush. 1, 2, 3, and let go. And then using the index finger to massage your third eye from down up. We can hold a lot of tension between the eyebrows. And then pressure in the middle above your eyebrows. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Push again. 1, 2, 3. Let go. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and let go. Then massaging above the eyebrows from the inside to the outside. And then using the index finger to press on the sides of the nose. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Press again. 1, 2, 3. And let go. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And let go. And then using the fingers to massage your cheek from the sides of the nose all the way to the side. And then we press on the temples. So press. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Press again. 1, 2, 3. Let go. And then massaging with your index finger and middle finger. And then the other way around. And then using your thumb and your index finger from your chin, and then move it to the ears. You can close your eyes here. They say you can shape your face, but for me it's more energetically feeling relaxed. They say it can also be good for your skin, but who knows? And then using your index finger and your middle finger to massage the sides of your ears. So starting from the from below all the way up. So I don't know if you can see it from here. So you massage this side. Yeah. And then massaging your ear from the top all the way down with your thumb and your index finger. Your whole ear, also the inside of the ear. And then using the thumb and the index finger to pull on the top of the ear and then let go. And then slowly move down. And then you end with your earlobes. And using your index finger to massage your jaw. And then the other way around. And then press on the lower side of the ear. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Press again. 1, 2, 3. Let go. And one more time. 1, 2, 3. And let go. And then press with the index finger underneath the lip. And then start massaging it. And to end this practice, we are going to tap the head. First on top of the head, and slowly go to the sides of the head, back side of the head, the forehead. Don't forget your eyebrows, your temples, your cheeks, all the way down. Then your chin, and then underneath your chin, your neck. And then tapping your clavicle from the center all the way more to the shoulders, even your chest. And then let go. And then use your left hand to place on your heart. And then place your right hand on top of it. And then slowly open up the eyes. And I hope you feel good after this. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please let me know. Bye.